Hey guys, this is Mr. H. I'm doing question 17 from the June 2024 Regents exam. Basically, they're giving us two functions. Now, generally, when they give you more than one function, there's pretty much two things that they're going to ask you to do. One is usually they're going to ask you to find the intersection of those two functions, or they're going to ask you to compare those two functions. Which one has a greater y-intercept, which one has a greater maximum, something like that. So in this case, we are comparing them, but they want to know, okay, if we started with the parent function x squared, which is a quadratic function, and then we graph this one, how do those two compare to each other? So all we're doing is we're graphing both of these, and we're just trying to say, how do they compare? All right, so I've already graphed these, so I just have to go now, go look at them. So the blue one is the original. That's the parent function. That's f of x. The red one is the g of x. Okay. Now, hopefully you can see that the blue is wider than the red and that the red has been shifted over one, two, three to the right. So let's go look at the answers and see which one says that. So Ashley said the graph GX is wider. That's not true. It's thinner. Beth said the graph of GX is narrower. That is true. And shifted left 3 units. Nope. It's shifted to the right 3 units. Carl said that the graph of GX is wider. Nope. GX is not wider. By the way, the red one is G of X. The blue one is f of x. So the red one is obviously narrower. So Carl is also wrong. So Don has to be right, but let's double check it. Don said that g of x is narrower. That's true. And it's been shifted to the right 3 units, and it has. So if you look at this, here's the original. And then to get to this one, we're going to go 1, 2, 3 to the right. And you can see that it's obviously narrower. So that's the answer. Don was correct. We can go back, circle them. That's it. That's all we're doing. Remember, they gave us two functions. They gave us the parent function, and then they gave us another function, another quadratic. But once we see those two functions, you guys should be saying, hey, I can graph these and just actually look at them and make sure you pay attention to which one is narrower, which one is thinner, and then just go to the answer choices and choose the one that applies to both of them. All right, that's it. I'm going to stop. I'm going to post.